And we just looked at some words that are progress and progress with different stress on the words depending on whether they are nouns, progress with the stress here at the beginning, or progress with the stress on the second syllable and that little dash up here to tell you that's where the stress is. Okay, and we've got things like export. Now, personally, I think some of these ones are changing a little bit because I think that we don't say to export things. I still think we actually now say to export things. So they're not necessarily all with variable stress, but traditionally they have been, okay? Something that's worth thinking about when you get a two-syllable word that is a noun and a verb, and the forms are identical, okay? Now, you're going to do this listening, so you need to listen to 6.5. From other countries, these are the words from the list. Now, I just said export. Well, it won't be to export from. It will be to, what do you think? Let's have a look, shall we? Can I do a choice? No, I can't, sorry. So, imports a lot of food from other countries. It's exports. It's no apostrophe there because it's the it's like my, I and my is it and its, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. I didn't want to overcomplicate that one and then probably confused you. Yeah. Its exports include whiskey and beef. Okay. Have a look at the other ones. See if you can use the words from the previous exercise. Listen to 6.5, fill them in, and I'll put up the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here they are. Okay. And if it's got of, so if it's got a preposition in front of it, if it's got a or the, okay, an article in front of it, a determiner even in some cases, then it's going to be an increase, lots of progress, okay. But if it's a verb, I will, then it's going to be I will record, okay. And the crime rate has decreased significantly. There has been a decrease, is what we would say. Okay, right. I'm going to close that one because you've got the answers, and I'm going to close the whole book. Well, I didn't. It's crashed again. Oh, technology. I think it's getting a little bit tired of so much extra use. That's all I can imagine. Okay, so I'm going to keep talking. Because I really want to get this one done. Okay. Now, these words have different meanings according to the stress. We've got refuse and refuse. If I refuse to do something, I say no. If I leave some refuse, if you're a refuse collector, you're a bin man. Refuse is the stuff that we throw out. It's the trash, it's the garbage, it's the rubbish. Okay? Listen to the words, say what part of speech they are. I'll put up the answers in excuse me, 5. No, I won't. Sorry, I beg your pardon, because I'm going to have to go through these ones with you. Present. I'm presenting this to you very badly today. They gave me a present for Christmas, but that was in the past. Now is in the present. Okay. It only takes a minute. I ordered something online, and I thought it was big, but it was small. In fact, it was absolutely minute. Right. Desert and desert. The desert is the one with lots of sand. To desert is to leave a place. There's a deserted building near me. Nobody lives there anymore. Don't confuse it with desert. With dessert, rather. The thing that we can eat, ice cream, has 2 S's. Content, what's inside? Content, happy. Object, a thing. Object, protest or not like something. Invalid, you can't use it anymore. So, for example, this ticket is invalid on this train. Invalid is an old name for somebody with a disability. Okay. Contract is what you sign when you start a job. Contract can be to get smaller or also to catch a disease.